Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the PIC microcontroller within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to search for our microcontroller in the search component section. So or we can search it manually. Drag the bar down and here we got our PIC microcontroller series, and then here we will select our pic16f877 microcontroller. Okay, or it is not A, it is simple pic16f877. Okay, click on zoom to fit. So this is our microcontroller. Now as we are dealing with this microcontroller, so we have to go for fixed voltage power supply so that we can supply the positive 5 volt to the M clear or master clear pin of the microcontroller. So now we have provided out. Okay, and we will also attach one LED. So this is our LED. We can connect it with the pin number B4 of our microcontroller, and the negative side or cathode side of the LED must be with the ground. So we will search here, we'll write here ground and click on it and drag it out like this. So this is our hardware. Our hardware has been completed. Now we will go towards our coding. So click on Micro C PIC Pro. Okay, we have a lot of other compilers for all this, but we will use this Micro C Pro for PIC. So we can click on create new project, next, and here we have already selected this pic16f877. okay, and here we write our first underscore 00 project. You can write any other name. Click on next and finish, and we got our main working window. So this is the main function. Obviously we must have this function in order to work properly. So here in void main function we will declare the pin number 4 or pin B4 of the microcontroller as the output. So we write trisb.f4 is equal to 0. We have assigned 0, or we have given 0 to the F4 pin. It means that we have selected it as the output pin. Tris is a command, and B is the name of the port, and .f4 is representing that we are dealing with the pin number 4 of port B, that is B4 pin, and we have given the 0 to the corresponding pin. So this is trisb.f4. So we have declared this pin as the output. Now we will write while one. And why we have written this while one? Because we have to execute again and again, because we want the LED to blink. So it will execute again and again whatsoever it has inside this bracket. So it will be executed again and again. So here we will write port B dot F4 is equal to 0, and delay underscore ms 1000, and port B dot F4 is equal to 1. Delay underscore ms 1000. Okay, now with the help of this port command, we can send either 0 or 1 on the corresponding pin. And delay underscore millisecond is actually representing 1 second delay. So it will be like this. So we can click on build and first underscore 00 and this, and then click on this one, and then like this, and this thing. So we will save our hex file here. So the name of the hex file will be first_00 or any other name. Okay, we have saved it on the desktop. So our hex file is on the desktop. Okay, so this is our microcontroller. Right click on it, go to load firmware, and we will go to our desktop, and we will write first 00.hex. So click on open, and firmware successfully loaded. Now we will run it out, and now you can see that our LED is blinking, and it is a bit reddish, whitish, so because we haven't attached the resistor, the current limiting resistor. Okay, so we will just add one resistor so that we got color on the LED, because 5 volt is very much for this tiny LED. So rotate it clockwise. 100 ohm is enough. You can use 220 ohm or even up to like 700 ohm. Okay, sorry, 470 or 560 or like this, but 100 ohm will work fine as well. So now you can see that our LED is working properly. So in this way you can use the PIC microcontroller within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.